Janet UK has commissioned a recent survey on the use of video conferencing in the education and research sectors. We want to understand the current trends for use, but also look at the requirements for future service developments. We asked the current users of the Janet video conferencing service as well as those not yet registered. Respondents were usually IT managers across the sectors. We got responses from the higher education sector, research, further education, local authorities and the regional broadband consortia for schools. From those that responded, around 74% of higher education and further education institutions claim to be using video conferencing. All of the research institutions that responded claim to be using it. Most organisations use it about once a week, but a third of all local authorities use it every single day. 86% of those people responding expected to increase their usage of video conferencing in the future. This is due to improvements in the technology and for cost savings. Many organisations are using video conferencing in their day-to-day activities. 45% of respondents claim to be using it for administrative meetings. 38% are using it in teaching and learning. There's also a lot of collaboration going on using video conferencing between sites of an institution or between different academic institutions. Video conferencing is also used for interviews and for general project work. Not surprisingly, the main benefits of using video conferencing are reported as saving money and time. 34% of institutions reported that cost savings were a main driver. 21% reported that saving time on travel was a major benefit. There are also benefits in teaching and learning. Further education institutions reported improvements in teaching and learning through the use of video conferencing. Most of those interviewed reported video conferencing easy to use, but also recognised the importance of good connectivity and audio-visual quality during a conference. A small number of organisations also recognised the need to raise awareness and improve training to drive the use of video conferencing within their organisations. The results of this survey are being fed into the future developments of Janet video conferencing. We already provide a desktop video application that's free for users and their guests. Janet video conferencing also provides the facility to record and stream all the conferences. Some respondents called for more interoperability between video services, and in response to this, Janet video conferencing hopes to work on interoperability between our services and other non-standards based but popular desktop video clients.